Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create custom images with Podman step by step. If you want to build or manage your own container images for development and deployment, this tutorial is for you. On your Podman desktop dashboard, if you have already installed Podman on your desktop, all you need to do is open it and go to the Images section. Once you are in Images, simply click on Build. Then, enter a container name, for example, My Custom Image. After setting the engine and the platforms, go ahead and start the build process. This may take a moment as it builds your image. Just wait for it to finish. While waiting, we can configure options like PowerPC systems, IBM systems, or WebAssembly. We can find these options under Platforms. There is also a validation step, and it may take a little time to validate and build your image. This process helps us understand how to create custom container images using Podman. We will walk through writing a container file, building the image, and managing it for our projects and applications. Once it is done, we just need to confirm that the image appears in Podman. That's it. We have successfully created a custom image with Podman. All we need to do now is click Done to finish and use our image in Podman.